Hello everyone. Welcome to CSTechbook HTML Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about HTML tags. Before we learn, I'd like to thank you for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to get new video updates. Let us learn HTML tags today. HTML tags. What is a HTML tag? HTML tag is the root of the HTML document, which is used to specify that the document is HTML. What are parts of HTML tags? HTML tags contain three main parts. 1. Opening tag. 2. HTML content. 3. Closing tag. All HTML tags must be enclosed within open and closed brackets. Every tag in HTML performs different tasks as per the user's requirement. If we open a tag, then we must close that tag/tag. But some HTML tags are unclosed tags. How do HTML tags work? HTML tags define how web browsers will format and display the content. HTML tags are used to create HTML documents and render their properties. With the help of HTML tags, a web browser can distinguish between an HTML content and a simple content. We can use as many tags we want as per our code requirement. When a web browser loads the HTML document, the browser reads the code from top to bottom and left to right. There are some of the basic tags present in HTML, some of them are categorized and listed below. 1. Basic HTML tags. Let us learn about some basic HTML tags. 1. Doctype tag. Doctype tag defines the document type of the HTML document. 2. Open and closed HTML tag. HTML tag defines an HTML document. 3. Open and closed head tag. Head tag defines information about the document. 4. Open and closed title tag. Title tag defines a title for the document. 5. Open and closed body tag. Body tag defines the document's body. 6. Open and closed heading tags H1 to H6. Heading tag defines HTML headings inside the web page. 7. Open and closed paragraph tag. P tag defines a paragraph. 8. Line break tag. Line break tag inserts a single line break. 9. Horizontal rule tag. In HTML4 tag is horizontal rule. In HTML5 tag defines a thematic change in the content. 10. Comments tag. Comments tag defines a comment inside the HTML document. 2. Basic meta tags. Next, let us learn about some basic meta tags. 1. Open and closed meta tag. Meta tag defines metadata about an HTML document. 2. Base tag. Base tag specifies the base URL or target for all relative URLs in a document. 3. Base font tag. Base font tag is not supported in HTML5, it specifies a default color, size, and font for all text in a document. 3. Programming tags. Let us learn some of the programming tags. 1. Open and closed script tag. Script tag defines a client-side script like JavaScript. 2. Open and closed NoScript tag. NoScript tag defines an alternate content for users that do not support client-side script. 3. Open and closed applet tag. Applet tag defines an embedded applet, which is not supported in HTML5. 4. Open and closed embed tag. Embed tag defines a container for an external, non-HTML, application. 5. Open and closed object tag. Object tag defines an embedded object. 6. Open and closed param tag. Param tag defines a parameter for an object. 4. Link tags. Next let us learn about some of the link tags. 1. Open and closed anchor tag. Anchor tag defines a hyperlink in the HTML document. 2. Link tag. Link tag defines the relationship between a document and an external resource. 3. Open and closed navigation tag. Navigation tag defines navigation links. 5. Image tags. Next, let us learn some of the HTML image tags. 1. Image tag. Image tag defines an image. 2. Open and closed map tag. Map tag defines a client-side image map. 3. Area tag. Area tag defines an area inside an image map. 4. Open and closed canvas tag. Canvas tag is used to draw graphics. 5. Open and closed fig caption tag. Fig caption tag defines a caption for a HTML figure element. 6. Open and closed figure tag. Figure tag specifies self-contained content. 7. Open and closed picture tag. Picture tag defines a container for multiple image resources. 8. Open and closed SVG tag. SVG tag defines a container for SVG graphics. 6. List tags. Let us learn some of the list tags below. 1. Open and closed unordered list tag. Unordered list tag defines an unordered list. 2. Open and closed ordered list tag. Ordered list tag defines an ordered list. 3. Open and closed list item tag. List item tag defines a list item. 4. Open and closed directory tag. Directory tag defines the directory list, but it is not supported in HTML5. 5. Open and closed description tag. Description tag defines a description list. 6. Open and closed description term tag. Description term tag defines a term, name in a description list. 7. Open and closed description tag. Description tag defines a description in a description list. 7. Table tags. Let us learn some of the table tags. 1. Open and closed table tag. Table tag defines a table in HTML document. 2. Open and closed table caption tag. Caption tag defines a table caption. 3. Open and closed table header tag. Table header tag defines a header cell on a table. 4. Open and closed table row tag. Table row tag defines a row in a table. 5. Open and closed table cell tag. Table cell tag defines a cell on a table. 6. Open and closed table header tag. Table header tag defines the header content grouped in a table. 7. Open and closed table body tag. Table body tag defines the body content grouped in a table. 8. Open and closed table footer tag. Table footer tag defines the footer content grouped in a table. 9. Table column tag. Table column tag defines column properties for each column within a col group element. 10. Open and closed table col group tag. Table col group tag defines a group of one or more columns in a table for formatting. 8. Audio, video tags. Next, let us learn some of the audio and video tags. 1. Open and closed audio tag. Audio tag defines the sound content. 2. Source tag. Source tag defines multiple media resources for media elements, video, audio and picture. 3. Open and closed video tag. Video tag defines a video or movie. 4. Track tag. Track tag defines text tracks for media elements, video and audio. 9. Form and input tags. Next, let us learn some of the form input tags. 1. Open and closed form tag. Form tag defines an HTML form for user input. 2. Input tag. Input tag defines an input control in the HTML document. 3. Open and closed text area tag. Text area tag defines a multi-line input control that is, text area. 4. Open and closed button tag. Button tag defines a clickable button. 5. Open and closed select tag. Select tag defines a drop-down list. 6. Open and closed opt group tag. Opt group tag defines a group of related options in a drop-down list. 7. Open and closed option tag. Option tag defines an option in a drop-down list. 8. Open and closed label tag. Label tag defines a label for an input element. 9. Open and closed field set tag. Field set tag defines the group's related elements in a form. 10. Open and closed legend tag. Legend tag defines a caption for a field set element. 11. Open and closed datalist tag. Datalist tag specifies a list of predefined options for input controls. 12. Open and closed output tag. Output tag defines the result of a calculation. 10. Frames tags. Let us learn some of the frames tag in the table. 1. Open and closed frame tag. Frame tag is not supported in HTML5, which actually defines a window, a frame, in a frame set. 2. Open and closed frame set tag. Frame set tag is not supported in HTML5, which defines a set of frames. 3. Open and closed null frames tag. Null frames tag is not supported in HTML5, which defines an alternate content for users that do not support frames. 4. Open and closed iframe tag. Iframe tag defines an inline frame inside an HTML document. Detailed explanation for the above tags will be discussed in future chapters. Let us learn about another new topic in the next video. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. See you in the next video. Bye.